Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Begin by assembling and measuring everything to keep the cook time efficient. Peel and finely chop 1 onion, mince 2 cloves garlic, and grate 1 inch of fresh ginger. Measure 1 tablespoon curry powder and 1/2 teaspoons salt, plus 2 tablespoons cooking oil. Choose 250 g chicken cut into bite-sized pieces or 200 g mixed vegetables for a vegetarian version. Prepare 1 cup, 250 ml, diced tomatoes, and keep 1/2 cup water or broth on hand to deglaze the pan when you add the spices. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a heavy skillet over medium heat and sauté the chopped onion until soft and translucent, about 5 minutes. Add the minced garlic and grated ginger, stirring for 1 minute. Sprinkle in 1 tablespoon curry powder and toast it in the pan for about 30 seconds to bloom the aroma. This deepens flavor, but prevents bitterness. Add 1 cup diced tomatoes, stir, then pour in 400 ml coconut milk. Bring to a gentle simmer and cook uncovered for 15 minutes to meld flavors and when the sauce is thickened and the flavors are balanced, add your cooked protein or vegetables back to the pan and warm through for 2 to 3 minutes. Taste and adjust seasoning with 1/2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, or 1 tablespoon lemon juice if the curry needs brightness. Serve hot over 250 g cooked rice or with naan, and garnish with chopped cilantro and a squeeze of lime. Cool leftovers quickly. Place in an airtight container. Refrigerate for up to 3 days or freeze for up to 2 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.